Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Law with AKP. Today we are going to discuss about fundamental rights. Imagine this. One day you go for a job interview, you are fully qualified, confident, ready, but they reject you just because of your caste, religion or background. Is that fair? No. And that's exactly why fundamental rights exist. Now, what are the fundamental rights? The fundamental rights are not just rules. They are your basic protection. They give you freedom, equality, dignity, and most importantly, they protect you from injustice, even from the government. Fundamental rights are covered under Articles 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution. A simple trick to remember: 12 to 35 are fundamental rights. Now, we should understand what is right to equality. Let's go back to that interview situation. If two people apply for the same job, both must get equal opportunity. No discrimination, no bias. That's your right to equality. Okay. Now, the next one is right to freedom. Now, imagine you want to start a business or speak your opinion online. You have that freedom because the Constitution says you have the right to freedom to start a business and to express your views. So, that is the right to freedom. Now, right against exploitation. But what about people forced to work or children made to do labor? That's illegal because you are protected by right against exploitation. So, no human trafficking, no child labor. And the next one is freedom of religion. In India, you can follow any religion or even choose not to follow one. The choice is yours. That's the beauty of freedom of religion in India. The next one, cultural and educational rights. Now think about minorities, different languages, cultures. They also have the right to preserve their identity and run their own institutions. That's culture and educational rights. Now, right to constitutional remedies. So this is under Article 32. And here comes the most powerful one. If any of your rights are violated, you can go directly to court. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called this the heart and soul of the Constitution. This is your ultimate protection. So, the right to constitutional remedies under Article 32, you can go to court if any rights violated. And this is the heart and soul of Constitution. And finally, the conclusion is, so remember the simple code to remember all the fundamental rights using this simple code. EFERCR: equality, freedom, exploitation, religion, culture, remedies. These are not just chapters in a book. These are your rights. Use them, know them, protect them. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Learn Law with AKP and start understanding your rights the right way. Thank you.